Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn two different ways to make a double bar graph, also known as clustered column chart, using Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we are working with a dataset showing monthly laptop sales and monthly mobile sales. Our goal is to create a visual comparison where each month has two adjacent bars. Let's get started. In first method, we will use Excel's built-in chart preset to instantly create a double bar graph. Let's give it a try. First, select the full data range including the headers, in this case from cell A1 to C11. Then head to the Insert tab. In Chart section, select Insert Column or Bar Chart icon. In the drop-down under 2D Column, you can choose Clustered Column for vertical bars. Under 2D Bar, you can choose Clustered Bar for horizontal bars. For this method, I'll go with Clustered Column. Once selected, Excel instantly creates a chart showing side-by-side bars for laptop sales and mobile sales for each month. Let's customize it. Click on the chart title and rename it. Let's give it a descriptive name. For example, monthly sales comparison. And then click the Chart Elements button next to the chart. In the list of checkboxes, check the box for Axis Title to add labels. Let's edit the labels. Click the vertical axis label and rename it to Sales. Repeat the same thing for the horizontal axis title. Let's name it Months. Now, to change the bar color, right-click on one of the mobile sales bars and select Format Data Series. This opens up Format Data Series panel. In the Series options, click the Fill icon and then click on Fill and select Gradient Fill. Scroll all the way down and pick a color. For example, I'll go with green. And now to adjust the bar spacing, select the Series option icon that looks like bar. In the Series options, in the Gap Width field, here we see the Gap Width slider. Drag right to increase the gap or left to decrease the gap. Let's set it to around 80, or you can just type it. Close the panel by clicking on X. And that's it. We now have a fully customized professional looking double bar graph that clearly compares the two product sales over time. Let's head to the second method. In the second method, we will start a chart for one data series and manually add the second series to build a double bar graph. Let's begin. First, we will create a chart with only the first series. Select the range for month and laptop sales from cell A1 to B11. Then, like the previous method, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts section, click Insert Column or Bar Chart icon and choose Clustered Column. After the chart is created, select the chart, go to the Chart Design tab. In the Data section, click on Select Data. This opens up Select Data Source dialog box. Under Legend Entry Series, click on Add. In the Edit Series dialog box, click the input field for series name and select C1. After that, for series values, clear any existing text in the field, then select the data range from cell C2 to C11 and click OK. Now back in the Select Data Source dialog box, we need to ensure the axis labels are correct. Under Horizontal Category Axis Labels, click on the Edit. In the Axis Label Range input, select the range from cell A2 to A11 to set months as the labels, and then click OK. And then click OK again to close the main dialog box. If you want, you can customize this chart by using the Chart Elements button or Format options, just like we did in the previous method. And there you have it. The chart now updates to include both data series, displaying side-by-side bars of laptop and mobile sales for each month. This concludes our lesson on 2 easy ways to create a double bar graph in Excel. Download the workbook linked below to practice these techniques. Visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.